All right, hello everybody, and this is the video walkthrough for the Research and Choose website software assignment. So when I click into it, first thing I'll see here is you'll be graded on the thoroughness of your review. Here's the link to the Google Slides template. Be sure to delete the slides that do not relate to your work, okay? So I'll go ahead and click into this Google Slides template, and it should be pretty straightforward. I think all of the details are mostly here, but I'll add this video for extra detail. But first of all, objectives: understand no-code website builders, evaluate multiple platforms, and synthesize findings. So no-code or low-code, no-code, low-code, are two very common phrases to represent a new form of website building and coding, which is what we will use for this class. You can build very high level applications, websites and mobile apps, or web applications, using no-code tools. In fact, maybe in the near future or presently, is actually a better alternative to traditional coding. Is certainly to the non-experienced coder the best option, but it's an empowerment tool. These are empowerment tools. They empower entrepreneurs to not need a tech founder, someone to run their website, do not need to pay lots of money to web developers to bring something to life online. And it is largely because and thanks to these no-code website builders, which we will be using in this course. This class or this assignment is just an intro into them, okay? But in this assignment, we're going to evaluate multiple platforms and get a little bit of an intro into multiple website builders, okay? Final thing I'll say here on the no-code website builders is this is how we're going to be able to very quickly create different iterations of our website blueprint that we have recently created. So now we have this website blueprint. It's much, much quicker now that we know what we're going to build to go in and rebuild it in different website builders. Sometimes some of them are AI enabled, and AI will actually give you a template very quickly based on the inputs that you provide describing your website. Okay, so these are the objectives. What are no-code website builders? I guess I just explained that, but largely it gives you this. The drag and drop interface is very similar to Canva. A little different. All of them have their own little like quirks. And that's what this assignment is to begin to understand. Okay. Why are they important? Ease of use, quick to market, cost effective. Okay, very much so. Being widely used today by entrepreneurs to make much revenue. Okay, online. In quick and cost-effective ways, okay? All right, so the assignment. So essentially, you're going to want to delete these first 4 slides, or really the first 5, or actually, I take that back. You're going to delete the first 10 slides, okay? And then I'll show you what we're going to do. So assignment, research different no-code website builders, compare findings, and select the best one, okay? Criteria for evaluation: ease of use, customization, scalability, pricing, community and support, learning curve, and unique features. We're going to create one slide for each of these elements, okay? And I'll show you that here. Here's your list to pick from. We're going to pick 3, okay? So Bubble.io, Webflow, Squarespace, Wix, Glide, Softer.io, and Unicorn. At the end of this video, I'll do just a quick intro into the first page of each of these, okay? How to proceed for the assignment. Pick 3 tools from the list, research and evaluate based on the criteria. So again, 3 tools here, and then we're going to research and evaluate 3 of them based on these criteria, okay? So how to proceed. Pick 3 tools from the list, research and evaluate based on criteria. Synthesize and select, analyze findings, compare evaluations, and select the best tool based on criteria. It doesn't matter too much, the best tool. Pick your favorite based on the list of what you find, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. A report, it will be a summary of each tool, justification for the selected tool. So when you're beginning the assignment, you're going to take this slide. You can see where it says copy and edit the following slides. Selected platforms, and here you put your 3 platforms that you want to choose from the list, okay? So for this example, I went with Webflow, Bubble.io, and Squarespace, okay? And then I add my name here, and that's our first slide. Second slide is now I've added a table for each of these elements, and you can copy and edit the table, right? So you put in your 3 and you put in your thoughts on the ease of use. Okay, we look for a clean drag drop interface, accessible for beginners. Will it take a few weeks or will it be really quick? Actually, will it take a few weeks is going to be more learning curve. Okay, so this is like just getting started. How easy is it? Like the reading the text that it says and what the editor looks like, how easy is it? Learning curve. Some you might find are steeper than others, right? Some have more helpful and helpful guides and such, and some don't. Customization, okay. Pre-built layouts, templates. I think all of them probably offer templates. Some offer more than others, and some offer better ones than others. Scalability, suitable for projects large to small. So this is where we're going to want to look at the pricing page, and I'll show you how to do that, where you can start to see, does this become a lot more expensive with many users, or does it or does it work with scale? Like it's a certain dollar amount when we have 1,000 users, but how much is it if we have 100,000? And does it become too expensive? And some become more expensive and some stay reasonable, right? So we look into that, and the tip here, and then pricing. And the tip here for really a lot of these is going to be to go to the pricing page on the website. That's where it lists like, here's the features, right? And I'll show you how to get there. Community and support. Is there forums that exist? Is there helpful guides? Are they responsive? Or they got good reviews? Stuff like that. Unique features. What do this website builder on any of these? What do they kind of boast as their most unique features? And adding that there. And then finally, conclusions and takeaways. This is where we'll add our pros and cons that we've developed for each one. Okay. And then pick your favorite website builder. Okay. So your favorite website builder, this is your favorite right now, and your favorite might change after you discover these things. You might develop a favorite right now, and then after working with a few of them over the course of the semester, might realize, ooh, I actually like this other one quite a bit more. But largely, as I've shared before, once you come to fully understand any one of them, just take one. And once you come to fully understand one, the others become pieces of cake, right? And once you know the way broadly, you can begin to see it in all things. So once you've brought a website to fruition using one of these tools, you're able to see how this can be done with all of them, right? And so that's what we hope to, that's the experience that we hope to bring to this class. So that is this assignment. I forgot to mention at the very beginning, so hopefully you've watched till now or know this, that the first thing you want to do when you get your Google Slides is you want to go File and make a copy. That's how you're able to edit, right? You cannot edit this one. You'll have to file and make a copy. I'm sure that you're used to that at this point. I won't re-record that video to add it at the front. In other words, I'm just going to leave that here. But yeah, to be sure that you file, make a copy, entire presentation, okay? And again, I would delete this first slide, delete the first 9, I think, slides, 10 slides, and you want to start here. Examples, copy and edit the following slides. Right there is where we start customizing the slideshow to our assignment, okay? And then for the submission, once you have slides 11 through 19 filled out, again, delete the first 10, and you will just submit it, view as student, just like you would right here, okay? Website URL, understanding no code, I click share, make sure anyone with link can view, done, copy link copied, and boom. Okay, there we go. That's it for this assignment. If you have any other questions or thoughts at all, please reach out. I am very happy to help. And so good luck this week, and wings up, go Eagles.